Right, for number 5, it's going to be exactly the same. So first, I want to distribute. So I'm going to distribute this 2 or multiply it to everything inside the parentheses. So when I do that, I have 2 times 4s, so that's 8s. And then I'm going to do 2 times negative 16, so be careful with those signs. So 2 times 16 is 32. And this 2 and this negative 16 have different signs, so it's going to be a negative 32. I'll still have my minus 5s equals negative 5. So now I'm going to combine like terms because that's my next step. So I have this 8s, and then I'm combine it with this negative 5s, being careful with those signs out in front. So 8s minus 5s, well, that is 3s. I still got my minus 32 equals negative 5. So now I'm going to solve like I've been solving. So I'm going to undo subtraction first by doing the opposite. So I'm going to add 32 to both sides. And so now I have 3s equals, well, negative 5 plus 32. Those are different signs. So I'm going to subtract. So 32 minus 5, that's 27. I'm going to keep this on the bigger number, so I'm going to stay positive. Now I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides. So I'm going to divide by 3. And I get s equals 27 divided by 3. That is 9. Perfect. Alright, number 6, same step. So I'm going to distribute first. Alright, so first I'm going to do 1.3 times 8. So I'm going to put that in my calculator fast. So I'm going to do 1.3 times 8. That's going to be 10.4. And these are the same signs. That's 1.3 and the 8. So that's going to be positive. Now I'm going to do the same thing with my negative b, being careful about the sign. So I'm going to do 1.3 times negative b, or negative 1b if you want to put your coefficient, which I would recommend because it helps me remember. So 1.3 times 1 is 1.3. The b is still there. The 1.3 is positive. The 1 is negative. Those are different signs. So it's going to be a negative 1.3b plus 3.7b equals negative 5.2 still. So next I want to combine like terms. So I have my negative 1.3b here. I have my positive 3.7b here. So when I combine those, they're different signs. So I'm going to subtract. 3.7 minus 1.3 would be, well, 7 minus 3 is 4. I'll put my decimal. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3.7 is bigger because 3 is bigger than 1. So it's going to keep the sign of this 3.7, which is positive. B's are still there. I still have this plus 10.4, and that's positive, and that equals negative 5.2. So now I'm going to subtract 10.4 from both sides, which is the opposite of adding, and I get 2.4b equals, these are same signs, so I'm going to add because same signs add, different signs subtract. If you haven't watched the MC Santee adding integers video, I highly recommend it. Search it on YouTube. I'll even link it for you guys. So these are the same signs, so I'm going to add. So 10 plus 5, that's 15. By decimal, 4.2, that's 6. These are same signs, so same signs. Keep the sign to larger, so I'm going to keep the sign. Alright, now to get rid of this 2.4, I'm going to do the opposite of multiplying. So I'm going to divide by 2.4 on both sides. So now I'm going to divide, so 15.6 divided by 2.4. That'll give me b equals 6.5. Now I'm going to look at my signs. The 15 is negative, the 2.4 is positive. Different signs. So my final answer is going to be negative. So that's a negative 6.5. Oh, negative kind of got lost there. Alright, number 7. Beautiful. So number 7 is kind of tricky because you would think you don't want to get rid of this plus 5 first, but you don't, because this b plus 5 is really in parentheses because this whole number is being divided by 6. So if I'm following the reverse order of operations, I'm going to do parentheses last. So first I want to get rid of this divided by 6 by doing the opposite. So I'm going to multiply by 6 on both sides. 6 divided by 6 as 1, so those cancel each other out. But since I multiplied to 6 on the left, I better multiply by 6 on the right. So over here I still have b plus 5 equals 7 times 6. Well, that's 42. Oh, sweet, I have a one-step equation. It's my lucky day. The opposite of adding 5 is subtracting 5, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I get B equals 42 minus 42 minus 5, that's 37. Boom. Perfect. Sorry, I got hiccups. Alright, now for number 8, first step, distribute. Oh, yes, I can do that. I see those parentheses. So I'm going to distribute not just a 2, but a negative 2, keeping that sign out in front, to everything inside my parentheses. So I have negative 2 times a positive 3n, negative, positive, different signs. So my answer is going to be negative. 3 times 2 is 6. I still got my n. It didn't go away. Now I'm going to do negative 2, the number outside, to the second number inside. Ooh, negative 6, negative, negative, same sign. So my answer is going to be positive. So I'm going to put that plus in before I forget. 2 times 6, 12, equals negative 24. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to undo addition by subtracting 12 from both sides. And I get negative 6n equals, oop, over here, I got the same sides. So what am I going to do? Add 24 plus 12 is 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. And since they're the same signs, I'm going to keep the sign. Because if I lose $24 and then I lose 12 more, I owe the bank $36. So I didn't get money. That'd be cool if I did, though. I love money. Now, I'm going to undo this multiplication by dividing by 6. Not just 6, but negative 6. Gotta remember that sign out front. So negative 6 on both sides, not just one. And I get n equals 36 divided by 6. That's easy. That's 6. These are the same signs, so that's going to be a positive 6. And there we go. Alright, so that's the end of our day. So make sure you fill this out completely. That's an easy 5 points because I made this video. And then also I will upload the completed notes to the LMS. That way you have these as well. And then go ahead when you're done and you're going to finish the multi-step equations day 2 assignment. So you'll just click on that and then click on the link. Okay, so make sure that gets turned in. That'll be worth 10 points. And then when you're done with that, I'm going to add a quizzes in a little bit here. So you can either work on that, or if you have any missing assignments, work on those first. And then don't forget the big ideas assignment. Alright, I will see you guys soon.